What's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing the Hunter Augusta ceiling fan at my grandma's house. So yeah, let's get into it. Here's the light, and here's low. Sorry about the noise in the background, that's just the wind chimes outside. Pretty old fan. It's very old, very old. I'd say like maybe 20 years or so. Pretty dusty and stuff like that too, but yeah. Let's turn it to medium. I'm gonna turn the light off. This is off. Here's medium. It's pretty slow. Turn this baby to high. I don't know if you can hear it, but it makes a little buzzing noise. You can probably hear the airflow a little bit. I'm gonna turn that off. Turn the light back on. This fan is much better than the fan in my room, the Hunter Amberlin. Looks better too. These are pretty hard to find these days since like they were made in the 2000s. Maybe late 90s. Not sure. Gonna stop any second right now. Takes a very long time to spin down. One fan in my house, the Honeywell one, that takes like maybe 30 seconds to slow down, but this one's taking over a minute. Wow. Just gonna stuff in my hand. Oh, it's pretty dusty. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.